welcome to a new episode of our weekly web series Science in Context. I'm Sabina, and today I'm joined by Dr Nuno Faria to speak about Chikungunya virus in Brazil. Nuno, what is Chikungunya and how is it spread?
Chikungunya is a small RNA virus that is mainly transmitted by the Aedes aegypti mosquito. So its name in Kimakonde language means to be contorted and describes the most typical symptom of chikungunya, which is debilitating joint pain that is often associated with fever. In 2013, the virus was introduced from the South Pacific via the Caribbean to North and South America, and in 2014 from Angola to Brazil, causing large, severe urban outbreaks. Local transmission of chikungunya has also been recently reported in Europe.
Your study focuses specifically on Brazil. Can you explain a bit more?
In 2014, we detected local transmission both of the Asian and the East Central South African or ECA lineage there. So interestingly, we now observe that only the ECSA lineage is still causing severe outbreaks in Brazil. So to better understand its epidemiology, we analyzed novel genomic, clinical, and epidemiological data from Brazil. Brazil has had at least 7 large epidemic waves, and we show that the most recent outbreaks tend to occur only in cities that had not yet been affected by the virus in previous epidemic waves. As chikungunya infection is believed to provide lifelong immune protection, our findings suggest that its continued transmission in Brazil can be explained by spatial heterogeneity of chikungunya spread during the first waves. Chikungunya is expected to continue to cause outbreaks in Brazil and elsewhere, particularly in populations that have not yet been exposed to the virus.
What does this mean for the future focus of your work?
So we believe that many chikungunya suspected cases still remain undiagnosed, in part because chikungunya symptoms are similar to those of other co-circulating viruses in the region, including dengue and Zika. Although most infections are believed to be symptomatic, accurate assessments of chikungunya population immunity are still needed to fully understand the extent of the epidemic at the population level. The ongoing epidemic in Brazil calls for continued investment in vaccines and drugs to prevent chikungunya transmission and relieve suffering of those that are most affected.